Hi children, this is Saujanya. Welcome to e-Manabadi. Today we are going to talk about mensuration chapter 10, problems on area, exercise 10.3. Okay, let's go to problems. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Here given this 3 centimeters we can take as L and this 4 centimeters will be breadth. And you know that this is the rectangle sides whose length is given as 3 centimeters and breadth is given as 4 centimeters. And you know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. This I have explained in my previous videos. And area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So here L is given as 3 centimeters and breadth is given as 4 centimeters. So this is 3 into 4, that is equal to 12 square centimeters. Here we have kept measurement as square centimeters because we are not only multiplying 3 and 4 but also 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. This 3 into 4 is 12 and centimeter into centimeter equal to centimeter square. This centimeter square we can represent as square centimeter. This is nothing but, the centimeter square is nothing but 12 square centimeters. So we have written 12 square centimeters. And here it is given as, length is given as 12 meters and breadth is given as 21 meters. And you know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is equal to 12 into 21, and the measurement is given in meters. So we have written 232 square meters because the measurement is in meters. So meter into meter is nothing but meter square, that is equal to square meters. And here the length is given as 2 kilometers and breadth is given as 3 kilometers, and area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 square kilometers because the measurement is given in kilometers. So we have written 6 square kilometers. And children, coming to here the length is given as 2 meters and breadth is given as 70 centimeters. Here these length and breadth are in different units. Let's convert this into either meters or centimeters. Both length and breadth should be in unique units. So this 2 meters we are converting into centimeters. Children, you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. So here this 2 meters can be converted into 200 centimeters, and you know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is equal to 200 into 70, that is equal to 14,000 square centimeters. And this 14,000 square centimeters can be represented in meters also as 140 square meters because these two zeros we are representing as meters. So this 14,000 square centimeters is equal to 140 square meters. And coming to next one, find the areas of the squares whose sides are 10 centimeter. Children, you know that assume this as a square, and you know that in this square all the sides are equal and this side is given as 10 centimeters. So children, you know that area of the square is S into S, that is equal to 10 into 10, and measurement is given in centimeters. So this is 100 square centimeters. This 100 square centimeters is nothing but 1 square meter. You know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So this 100 square centimeters can be written as 1 square meter. And here the side is given as 14 centimeters. So the area of the square is 14 into 14 s into s. So we have written 14 into 14, that is equal to 196 square centimeters, because measurement is given in centimeters, and this can also be written as 1.96 square meters. And here the side is given as 5 meters. So the area of the square is s into s, that is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 square meters, because the measurement is given in meters. So we have written square meters. And the area of the rectangle garden is 50 meters long. Is, suppose this is the rectangular garden and its length is 50 meters, and the area of this rectangular garden is 300 square meters, and we need to find out the width of the garden. Children, you know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Here length into breadth is given as 300 square meters, and here the length is given as 50 meters. So 50 into b equal to 300. So we need to find out the breadth of the garden. So breadth is equal to 300 by 50, because this is the product, and if it comes this side, other side of the equal to, it will become divided by. So 50 by 30, this is equal to 5 will go in 30 in 6 times. So the breadth is 6. So the width must be 6 meters. And coming to the next one, what is the cost of tiling the rectangular plot of land 500 meters long and 200 meters wide at the rate of 8 per 100 square meters? Here, suppose assume this as the rectangular plot which is having 500 meters as its length and 200 meters as its width. And here you know that area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth, that is equal to 500 into 200, that is equal to 1 lakh square meters, because the measurement is given in meters. So we have written square meters. And here it is given that for tiling this rectangular plot, we need 8 per 100 square meters. Per 100 square meters, it is costing 8 rupees. But here the area is 1 lakh square meters. So for 100 square meters, it is costing 8 rupees. This 1 lakh can be written as 1000 into 100 square meters. So for 1 lakh square meters, it will cost 1000 into 8 rupees. That is equal to 8000 rupees. It will cost 8000 rupees. So coming to the next one, a tabletop measures, suppose this is the tabletop, it will measures 2 meters by 1 meter 50 centimeters. Its length is given as 2 meters and breadth is given as 1 meter 50 centimeters. Children, you know that to find out the area, the both length and breadth must be in unique units, but here breadth is given in meters and centimeters and length is given in meters, but we need to find out the area in square meters. So let's convert these meters centimeters into meters. Children, you know that here breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeters. Let's convert this 50 centimeters into meters. So you know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, but we need 50 centimeters. So this 50 centimeters is nothing but 1 by 2 meters. That is equal to, this 1 by 2 meters can be written as 0.5 meters. So breadth is this 1 meter plus 50 centimeters can be written as 0.5 meters. So 1 meter plus 0.5 meter is equal to 1.5 meter, and the area of the tabletop is length into breadth, that is equal to 2 into 1.5, that is equal to 3 square meters. And coming to the next one, a room is 4 meters long and 3 meters 50 centimeters wide. Children, assume this as a rectangular room whose length is 4 meters and breadth is given as 3 meters 50 centimeters. And we need to find out the area in square meters. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? The carpet must cover the entire room, so the area of the rectangular room is nothing but area of the carpet. Area of the room equal to area of the carpet. So we need to find out the area of this rectangular room, and here length is given in meters but breadth is given in meters and centimeters. So let's convert this breadth into meters. And children, you know that 50 centimeters is equal to 0.5 meters. So this 3 meter 50 centimeters can be written as 3 meter plus 50 centimeters can be written as 0.5 meters, that is equal to 3.5 meters. And area of the carpet is nothing but area of the rectangular plot. So that is nothing but L into B, that is equal to 4 into length is 4 into breadth is 3.5 meters, that is equal to 14 square meters. And coming to the next one, a floor is 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. Suppose this is the floor which is having length as 5 meters and breadth as 4 meters. And a square carpet of size 3 meters is laid on the floor. Suppose this is the square carpet which is having side as 3 meters is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. And we need to find out the area of the floor that is not carpeted. To find out the area of the floor that is not carpeted, we need to find out the total area of the rectangular floor and the area of the carpet. And we need to subtract this total length from the total area from the carpet area. So here length is given as 5 meters and breadth is given as 4 meters, and you know that area of this rectangular room is length into breadth, that is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 square meters. This area is given as 20 square meters, and area of the square carpet is equal to, this is the square carpet, so its side is 3 centimeters, and you know that area of this square is S into S, that is equal to 9 square meters. This is 9 square meters and this is 20 square meters, but we need to find out the remaining area which is not carpeted. So area of the floor that is not carpeted is equal to area of the floor minus area of the square carpet. So this is area of the floor is 20 square centimeter and area of the carpet is 9 square centimeters, that is equal to 20 minus 9, that is equal to 11 square meters. The area of the floor that is not carpeted is equal to 11 square meters. And 5 square flower beds, suppose this is the rectangular land and its length is given as 5 meters and breadth is given as 4 meters wide. 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meters long. This land is 5 meters long and 4 meters width, and 5 square beds each are having 1 meter at its side or laid on or dug on the piece of land. These are the 5 square beds which are having each one having 1 square meter as its side. So what is the area of the remaining part of the land? We need to find out the area of the remaining part. To find out the area of the remaining part, first we need to find out the area of the total area of the land and this 5 square beds area, and we need to subtract the 5 square beds area from the total area of the land. So here the square flower bed side is 1 meter and area of the square flower bed is equal to, this is square, so that is equal to S into S. Area of the square is S into S, that is equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 square meter. So here 5 square beds are dug on the land. So area of 5 square flower beds is equal to 5 into 1, that is equal to 5 square meters. This area is 5 square meters and the land length is equal to 5 meters and land breadth is equal to 4 meters, and total area of the land is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 20 square meters. And we need to find out the remaining area of the land. So we need to subtract the area of the floor from the area of the 5 square beds. The area of the floor is 20 square meters and area of the 5 square beds is equal to 5 square meters, that is equal to 15 square meters. So the remaining area is 15 square meters. And coming to the next one, by splitting the following figures into rectangle, children, we need to split these figures into rectangles, find their areas. Children, we know that area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So let's split this into rectangles and find out the area. Children, you know that here it is given as, this length is given as 4 centimeters and this length is parallel to this length, so this is also 4 centimeters, and here it is 3 centimeters and this length is parallel to this length, so this is 3 centimeters. And coming to here, this length is given as 2 centimeters, so from here to here this length is also 2 centimeters, and here this length is given as 1 centimeter, so here it is 1 centimeters. And coming to here, from here to here it is 2 centimeters, and here it is 3 centimeters, so it is 3 centimeters. Children, you know that we need to convert this into rectangles, and in rectangle opposite sides are, you know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, and here this is 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7 centimeters, so this can be this length also be 7 centimeters, but here 2 plus 3 is 5, the remaining length is 2 centimeters. So here and here also it is 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7 centimeters. Here it is given as 3 centimeters and the remaining length is 4 centimeters. So this rectangle forms the square which is having 7 centimeters as its side. So you know that area of the rectangle or square is nothing but S into S, or length into breadth. Children, please remember that this rectangle can be a square, but square cannot be rectangle. So S into S, that is equal to 7 into 7, that is equal to 49 centimeter square centimeters. And coming to here its length is given as 3 centimeters and this is parallel to that length, so this is also 3 centimeters. These are the parallel lines, so this is 3 centimeters, and here this is given as 3 centimeters and this length is parallel to that length, so this is also 3 centimeters. So here it is 1 plus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 5 centimeters. So here it formed a rectangle whose length is given as 5 centimeters and breadth is given as 3 centimeters, and area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is equal to 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 square centimeters, because measures are given in centimeters, so this is 15 square centimeters. And coming to the next one, here this length is given as 8 centimeters and this is the parallel to this 8 centimeters, so this length also 8 centimeters, and here it is given as 10 centimeters and the parallel line to this is 10 centimeters, so this is the 10 centimeters length. So here it formed a rectangle whose length is 10 centimeters, L is given as 10 centimeters and breadth is 12 centimeters, and you know that area is equal to area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 10 into 12, that is equal to 120 square centimeters. And next, coming here this length is given as 7, all the sides are here given as 7 centimeters. So here this formed a square whose side is 21. Each side is given as 21 centimeters. So here side is given as 21 and area of the square is equal to S into S, that is equal to 21 into 21, that is equal to 441 square centimeters, because the measures are given in centimeters. And coming to here, this line is parallel to this line, so here this length is 4 and here it is 2 centimeters and parallel line, this parallel line also 2 centimeters, and here it is given as 4 centimeters, so this parallel line is also 4 centimeters and here it is 2 centimeters, so the parallel line length also 2 centimeters. So here it formed a square whose sides are 5 centimeters. Each side is given as 5 centimeters, so here side is given as 5 centimeters, so the area of the square is equal to S into S, that is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 square centimeters. Coming to next one, how many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 100 centimeters and 144 centimeters. Here this is the rectangular region whose length is given as 100 centimeters and breadth is given as 144 centimeters. And how many tiles whose length are here? We need to tile this rectangular region. Each tile is having 12 centimeters as its length and 5 centimeters as its breadth. So let's find out the area of the tile. Here area of the tile is equal to 12 into 5, that is equal to 60 square centimeters. And area of the rectangular region is equal to 100 into 144 centimeters length into breadth, that is equal to 144 14,400 square centimeters. And you know that number of tiles required is equal to area of the region by this region must be covered with square tiles. All the area of this region must be covered with square tiles. So the area of the number of tiles required is equal to area of the region by area of the tile. Here area of the region is 14,400 square centimeters by the area of the tile is equal to 60. So here let's divide this 40 with 6. The 6 will go in 2 times. Here it is 12 and here it comes as 6 will go in 4 times in 24. So it is 240 tiles are required to cover this entire region with tiles having 12 centimeters as its length and 5 centimeters as its breadth. And similarly, the same rectangular region but whose length is given as 70 centimeters. Here this is 70 centimeters and this is 36 centimeters, but we need to cover the tiles whose length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 5 centimeters. So area of the tile is 60 square centimeters and the length of the region is 70 centimeters and breadth of the region is 36 centimeters. Area of the region is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 2520 square centimeters. This total area is 2520 square centimeters. Children, you know that number of tiles required is equal to area of the region by area of the tile. Here area of the tile is equal to 60 and area of the region is 2520, that is equal to, you know that this 252 equal to 6 will go in 4 times, so this is 24 and this 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and this will come down, this 2 will come down, that is equal to 12 and this is 6 2 are 12, that is equal to, so the number of tiles required is equal to 42 tiles. And children, now we will see the problem on perimeter. Ornate by 9 square paving slabs, each with a side of half meter. He says them in the form of a square. Here it is the square. Here it is exactly fit into the 9 square tiles. So each square is half. So this perimeter is equal to, you know that perimeter is all the squares are equal, so all the sides are equal, so the perimeter is 4s, that is equal to s is 1.5, perimeter is equal to 4s. You know that perimeter is nothing but all the lengths of the boundaries is nothing but perimeter. So here it is 4s, that is equal to 6 square 6 meters. The perimeter is 6 meters. And coming to here it is 1 centimeter, and here it is 1 centimeter, and here it is 0.5. Here it is 1 meter, and here it is 0.5 meter, and here it is 1 centimeter, and here it is also 1 centimeter, and it is 0.5, and here it is 0.5. This is 1, this is 1. So here the perimeter is nothing but all the lengths of the boundaries is nothing but perimeter. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, this is 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1, 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So this is nothing but 2, that is equal to 10 meters. So the perimeter is equal to, here the perimeter is equal to 10 meters. But here we need to find out that Shorty doesn't like his arrangement. She gets him lay them out like grass. Here the grass perimeter is, we have find out that 10 meters, and which has greater perimeter. Here square is given as square perimeter is 6 meters and the grass perimeter is 10 meters. So 6 meters is less than 10 meters. So the grass has greater perimeter. Abhinit wonders if there is a way of getting even a greater perimeter. Can you find out the way of doing this? Children, you find out if there is any way to find out the even greater perimeter than this square, than this grass, and comment me on the comment section. And this is about problems on area. If you have any queries, please comment on the comment section. Please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you, children.